Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all fine and good and waiting for my video also. So here I am with the good and new video for you. It's a geode lamp which I'm going to show you how to make it, and stay with me. If you have any questions, you can also ask me in the comment section. I can guide you step by step more further and in more detail. So here let's just start it. Oops, I just forgot to put the measuring scale first, so let me put it first, and then let's take the resin for our new geode lamp. So here is my measuring scale, and now I'm going to take a new cup so I can measure properly. The measurement should be proper. If it ups and downs, the curing time and the curing of the resin get affected. So let's take the resin with the proper measurements. I'm just taking a little bit of resin because I want to just need to grease the crushed glass only, not to pour. So I just take 20 to 30 gram of resin here, and now I'm started mixing it. If you take less resin or more resin, you need to mix it very nicely. Okay, so after mixing, let's start getting some crushed glass here. And here I am taking some transparent crushed glass actually, because we need to make the color tone slowly and darker in the tone, but in the layers. So first we need to add some white crushed glass, and then we will add the colored one with the lighter tone, and then we will swap up with the darker tones. So grease it very well as you mix the resin very well, so all the crushed glass can cure and stick together and join together nicely. And after greasing it well, don't pour it too much resin so it will get so much liquidy. It should be looking like this texture, greasy, but not falling, the resin is falling out of the crushed glass. So here I am going to make a circle. You can also make some other design, or if you are making some other shape, according to that you can change that, but I am here taking a round one, the crushed glass. And after that, let's set it together, and whenever you satisfied, then just stop. So here I am just pulling it a little more higher in the middle, so it looks more combined with the other layers, and because all is gonna go further slowly up and up. So here I am taking the other resin, other crushed glass, and now I'm going to pour in the lighter purple color in it. And here you can see, after mixing, I'm going to add some purplish color in it, and then after that I made some layers of lighter purple, then darker purple, then more darker. For more darker, I'm going to use a little bit of black, so it gives me a so little black, so it gives the tone more darker than the first layer you have. So it will give a little bit of gradient look, you can say. So it looks very nice when you pop up the light in it. It will give you a very nice effect. So if you are not satisfied still, you can add more black resin, as I am not satisfied with that much black because it's not that enough. So I take the little bit of more resin and now mix it well. Mix the color always well, so it won't give you the lines effect in your colors or in pouring. So here I just mixed the finally crushed reflective glass. See the tone, you see the difference between the tones. I added the lighter one there and the darker one there. After that, I just going to take it out, the lighter one. I just want to show the difference, because in light sometimes the difference doesn't come into the camera, so I just put it together. Now here I am just filling up all the board with the darker tone, and after that I will show you how we are going to give it a final look. So let's give it a quick cover on all over the board. So I have no patience left. I wanted to cover it more faster. I'm spreading it all over, but it's not gonna happen, so we need to wait. Still be patient. Slowly we need to do it. and you need to put the hands outside so the crushed glass don't fall. Make sure that the edges will remain plain, no crushed glass, or their pointers are not coming out of the board, because it's hard to stand then the lamp. So here I just covered it all almost, and that's it. After that, give it a stay. I just do every layer in one day, so it takes 4 days actually, because I do the 4 layers. Now I'm just removing. There is a silicone mat in the bottom, so that's why it's removing easily and it's cured nicely. Now yes, you can see the final look from the back side and the front side. Oh my god, I'm just going to fall in love with it. I'm just falling in love with it, you can say that. Oh my god. Okay, let's start doing the sides also, because we need to make it more clean and finishy look. So for giving a finished look, oh my god, I just getting obsessed with this. So pretty. As you can see, the reflection of the light is so pretty. OMG. Okay, then let's start doing work, some work. Okay, for the sides I am going to take the sponge and the water, and I am just tapping it on the board, because the water is gonna absorb into the board, and then when we apply the color or acrylic paint on it, it will give a more nice finish. Before that, you can check or try. I have tried so many times. If you absorb the water first in the board, it will give the colors give more nice effect than the dry one. So here I just wet all the board nicely, and very small amount of water is applied. Okay, no much water, don't spray it directly on the board. So here I am taking the silver acrylic color here, and I'm not just rubbing it on the board, I am tapping on it. Okay, so tapping is because I give it a stony and irregular look, not a very straight look. Do clean all the stones which gonna touch by the color, so it won't dry on it. The color don't dry on the crushed glasses. So give it a nice and perfect look, and do it till you don't satisfy that the color you wanted is achieved. After that, you can give it I'm going to give it one more layer also, so it will give me a perfect look. It's just this, like that. Okay, faster. Okay, just ignore my bakwas. So if you like my videos, just press the bell icon, click the subscription button also, please, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care, bye bye, love you guys.